The 2022 RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid compact SUVs show how far Toyota hybrids have come from the original Prius. Like a RAV4, these electrified utes are roomy and practical, but with two fuel-efficient engine options. The Prime even defeated the four-cylinder Supra in our 5 to 60 miles per hour rolling start acceleration test. The RAV4's uninspiring handling is surpassed by rivals like the Honda CR-V and Hyundai Tucson hybrids, and its hefty starting price of roughly $30,000 includes just basic amenities. Still, the RAV4 Hybrid is a well-rounded product. The RAV4 Hybrid has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors producing 219 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard, as is a CVT automatic transmission. The RAV4 Hybrid is not just more efficient, but also faster. It hits 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds, whereas the gas-only variant took 8 seconds. The electric motor's fast power supply offers it an extra push when starting from a standstill. The Prime model delivers considerably more performance. The RAV4 Prime hit 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds in our test. The Hybrid and Prime models handle well and ride well, but don't expect any cornering heroics. The RAV4 Prime's electric-only range is 42 miles, according to the EPA. When driving on the highway, we got 32 miles on electricity alone. We'd expect more in the city. This reduces the time it takes to charge to just 2.5 hours when using a 240-volt outlet with a 3.3 kilowatt-hour onboard charger or 6.6 kilowatt-hour charger. Only 120-volt outlets will take roughly 12 hours to fully charge. The XSE and Limited models have an 8 inches infotainment screen, while the LE and XLE have a 7 inches screen. The bigger display comes with the Audio Plus bundle on the XLE. The RAV4 Prime has an 8 or 9 inches display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. The Limited comes standard with navigation and an 11-speaker JBL sound system. Otherwise, it's a 6-speaker setup.